Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope all of you are doing very fantastic. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And you can see now I'm teaching the kids. Okay, so in this premise as you have to learn English language. Sasa is okay. So they are learning English and they are trying to increase their level. And I think that after 5 years they will achieve a good level in his life. Okay, so this is the very areas from where you can learn English. Okay, they are very agile and very interesting. Okay, so kids are very agile. You have to be patient to teach them. Okay, because they're so much talented. Okay, so just I am speaking with you. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Joel Rahman Hanjala.
Okay, just say loudly. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Joel Rahman Hanjala.
Hanjala. Okay, what class do you study in?
I study in class 5.
Okay, so you are writing. Okay, you are writing these sentences. Okay, I'm trying to show you. Okay, this is okay. So আমি তোমাকে কিছু বাংলা বলি, তুমি ইংরেজি বলো।
জি।
তুমি বলো হচ্ছে তুমি যাচ্ছ।
You are going.
তুমি যাচ্ছিলে।
You are going.
তুমি যেতে থাকবে।
You will be going.
ওকে, তারা যাচ্ছে।
They are going.
তারা যাচ্ছিল।
They were going.
তারা যেতে থাকবে।
They will be going.
তারা খাচ্ছে।
They are eating.
তারা খাইতেছিল।
They were eating.
তারা খাইতে থাকবে।
They will be eating.
ওকে, তারা লিখতেছিল।
They are writing.
তারা লিখতে থাকবে।
They will be writing.
ওকে, গুড। সে আসে।
He comes.
Here is another person. What's your name?
My name is Farah Shashmita. You can call me Mithila.
Loudly, you have to say, speak loudly. Okay, so তুমি বলো আমি হই।
I am.
তুমি হও।
You are.
তারা হয়।
They are.
আমার আছে।
I have.
তার আছে।
He has.
He has. Okay, good. তাদের ছিল।
They had.
They had. Good. Okay. What class do you study in?
I study in class 5.
5. Okay. Hey, how are you? How are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Ali. You can call me Muhammad because my nickname is.
Okay, good. মোহাম্মদ, তুমি 7 দিনের নাম জানো ইংরেজিতে? বলো তো।
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
That's great. Okay. Hey kids, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Sofna Yona. You can call me Yona because my nickname is Yona.
Okay, that's good. তুমি কিছু ফলের নাম জানো?
জি।
হ্যাঁ? পেয়ারা কি হবে?
Pera guava.
Guava. লটকন।
Lotcon Burmese grape.
Okay. আনারস।
Ananas pineapple.
মালটা।
Malta. Sweet orange.
Okay, good. মাসুমা, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, মাসুমা তুমি ফলের নাম জানো? আচ্ছা, তুমি বলো আঙ্গুরের ইংরেজি কি?
Grape.
গ্রেপ। ওকে, কাঁঠাল।
Jackfruit.
জ্যাকফ্রুট। ওকে, কলা।
Banana.
আর পেঁপে।
Papaya.
Good. So you have watched that their performance and they are trying to learn English language in these years. Okay, so pray for us. Allah Hafiz.